we're actually going to make and publish these things to the web. And to do that, you need to learn something called HTML. Okay? And we are going to do this in a very cool, interesting way. It's not HTML as in you're going to have to code everything. It's HTML to help you along a little bit. Does that make sense to you all? So we are starting to teach you real computer languages, not just the Lego bricks languages as I call them, okay? We're going to teach you real stuff that's really going to help you, and you're going to make an amazing project. I mean, I've spent my summer, to be honest, playing a bit with this too much because it's actually a lot of fun. So it's choose an adventure. And what do you think a computer does when you type in a mistake?
Autocorrect.
It might autocorrect.
It doesn't do the command.
Doesn't do the command, yes.
Underlines it in red.
Underlines it in red, correct. Now, when it comes to HTML, what it will do here is it will just ignore your mistake. Okay? It will just carry on as if the command does not exist. HTML is really kind. Because in some other languages, it'll just say, error, I won't run this at all, don't care, couldn't care less. With this, it will still try to display it regardless. So in that way, it's nice. But if things look odd, it means there's a mistake being made, yeah? And computers have a very black and white view of the world. You are either right or you are wrong, okay? It doesn't care that you nearly spelt it right. It doesn't care that you maybe almost got it there. You either got it right or you got it wrong. Is it bad to get things wrong? No, no. When I talk about fail, I talk about a first attempt in learning. Yeah? That's a fail. It's okay to make a mistake. Don't worry about it. You're going to make plenty of mistakes. And that's very important when we do programming. It's not to worry. You know, Edison learned how to make a light bulb by learning 999 ways not to make a light bulb.
The command's pretty simple. I just put in the command for the decryption program and put in the name of the text file. As you can see, it hasn't taken very long at all to find that password. Admittedly, it was just 123456.
So let's just try these passwords in a How Secure Is My Password website. Let's try 55 pleasant watches. This would take a hacker 27 trillion years to get through. And let's try this longer one at the beginning, interested bits of knowledge. Wow, 2 quintillion years. Let's see that number. Look at those number of lines, wow.
The winner is...
I set off and got my first job as an Uber driver. This went really well for a while, until this new self-driving car was made. It put me out of a job.
Right, so what are you doing this week?
This week, Mr. Avella gave us something called the Python Challenge, where there's a website which he made. It's called pythonchallenge.weebly.com, and there's a lot of challenging code questions, and we have to like solve them, and we get scores and badges, and it's amazing. And we're using PyCharm, so it's more organized for our codes. And like right now I'm doing like tutorials and moving on to challenges soon. And like after we have done a code, we drag it and we have to create a folder called Python Challenge with like different folders of what you're doing, and you have to add your Python code here. And soon after that, there's going to be a challenge report form where you're going to fill in your informations about your first name, last name, challenging code, how many points worth getting, and the link to where you store it. And when you send it, Mr. Avella will get the points and will update your results. It's great.